Hey guys, this is Alex from EP3. We're here with IND's E30 M3. We're going to be doing a full suspension refresh, try and go for a very OEM plus style. So we have the KW V3 coilovers. We're going to be using the OEM upper mounts, control arm bushings, all new OEM hardware, and front control arms. So a lot of the parts we're going to be replacing are all the locking nuts, bolts, and hardware. Any of the rubber bushings, the control arm bushings, sway bar links, anything that has rubber that may have deteriorated over the years, we're just going to be replacing while we're in there. So we're going to start with installing the rear and move to the front. Enjoy the video, enjoy the process. We'll keep you guys updated.
Yeah.
So we have the new KWs that we were putting in, and this is the old suspension. Some of the benefits from the KWs is adjustable ride height. It also offers adjustable compression and rebound adjustment for the ideal ride quality that we're looking for. We're also going to be removing and refinishing the front backing plates since they are not available at this time. We'll also be replacing all the other hardware and everything along that bolts up to the front struts. So along with the KWs, we installed new front lower control arms, lower control arm bushings. We're going to be getting new outer and inner tie rods for it. And right now we are currently waiting on new front sway bar links also. Some of the other things we're going to be doing on this car is we're going to be removing the full rear subframe, doing all the subframe bushings, the trailing arm bushings, rear sway bar links. We're also going to be installing a Eisenman full catback exhaust. We're going to be removing and refinishing the OEM headers. Thanks for watching, guys. We're going to keep you updated on all of our social media, EP3 Motorsports and IND, along with the restoration on the rest of this E30 M3.